afternoon, everybody. We have already left the job. The harvest sugar beet job is ended. We have already left. I didn't record any of the hooking up the camper or packing, getting ready to go, because it's super cold up here, windy, it's muddy. You know, we just want to get going, and that's not something I don't think y'all would find interesting anyway. So, but anyhow, we're on the road. We just left Grand Forks, stopped and checked everything out, make sure everything's all right. Got us a bite to eat. So yeah, we just left Grand Forks, North Dakota, heading south. I don't know. We don't really have a plan as far as where we're going. We're gonna swing by her hometown, and then we're gonna go probably stop around my hometown for just a day or two. But we don't have no real definite plans just yet. But anyhow, it is a beautiful sunny day. It's cold and windy, like I said, but you know, at least it's sunny. At least the sun is shining. That makes a big difference to me. But I'll try to keep you updated. I know it's been a while since I put a video out. I just working that job, you know, it's just long hours and kind of miserable weather, and you know, I don't know. You just don't feel like, you know, don't really feel like messing around with no camera. At least I don't anyway. But I'll try to get you a little bit of something here and get it uploaded. I don't know. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. But I'll do the best I can. But anyway, we're traveling. We're back on the road. Things are good. I'll check back in with you later. Maybe if we stop somewhere, if I see something interesting, I'll turn the camera back on. But as for right now, it's just going to be a whole lot of this. A whole lot of concrete. All right, I'll be back here in a little bit. Well, guys, we stopped for the night. We're here at the Walmart. You can't really see it. Oh, there's a Walmart. Then we got Lowe's over there. But anyhow, we've made it to Fargo. We stopped for the night. I feel rough. Went and did our laundry. She's going to get a shower. I'm going to take a shower in the camper because I just like it like that. She's going to Planet Fitness to do that. So, the next thing I'm going to do is get this old truck cleaned up. Look at my girl. Oh my goodness. Look at my poor girl. Yeah, it was a sloppy old muddy mess. I mean, it was horrible up there. Well, I shouldn't say horrible. I don't want to give you the wrong impression. I had a good time with friends and family and all that. But I'm talking about the mud. The mud and the cold was terrible. But anyhow, I'm gonna get off here and make it short because I'm cold now. We're staying the night at the U-Haul parking lot. Well, actually, we're at Sam's Club, but it's right by the U-Haul parking lot. So anyway, I'm gonna pause this video. We're in Fargo, North Dakota. We're gonna sleep here tonight. Back on the road in the morning. See you then. Okay, folks, it's the next morning. We're getting ready to take off. Well, actually, I'm waiting on Felicia. She's gone to Starbucks. So I'm waiting on her so we can take off, continue on, heading south. We're going to detour, going to Minneapolis. I can't get that word to come out. Yes, I know the sun's right there. Just bear with it for a minute. You ain't missing a whole lot right here. But it's a super cold day. It's sunny and beautiful, but it's 4 degrees. And the wind is ripping. If you look at them flags right there, it's a very windy day. 4 degrees, yes, it's cold. But anyhow, what we gonna do, we stayed at the Lowe's U-Haul / Sam's Club parking lot last night. Yes, my truck is still, see the hood, it's still just covered in mud. But anyhow, we're gonna, as soon as she gets back, I'm gonna go right over here to Sam's gas station, get some good old petrol in the truck, and continue on with this journey. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think we planned any stops for between here and there. that I know of. Of course, we change our minds every 4 or 5 minutes, so yeah, that's sun. There we go. I'm trying to block that sun. But anyway, nope, I think our goal is to leave here and get straight there. Because we got some stuff coming up we need to take care of, some maintenance on the camper, and some odds and ends. Need to run a few errands around her hometown. So I think the game plan is to leave here and go straight to Minneapolis. Yeah, I believe that's about it for the day. I think it is. But anyhow, I'm gonna pause this video right here until we get to our next destination. I believe you're gonna like it. Some of y'all have seen it before. It's gonna be the first time I've been there. Heard about it my whole life. Seen it on the YouTube videos, but I've never been there. Considering I'm gonna be going right past it, Minneapolis, I might as well pull in and say hello. So, let me pause this, get our day started, get some gas, and we're gonna get on down the road, and we'll see you when we come back.
It was supposed to be delivered tomorrow, but now it's like 5. So I want to know if it could be transferred to a different store.
Checking out the Lego store. That's awesome, really. I wonder if them right there are real Legos, like that.
They have to be. They have like master craftsmen.
Yeah, it is.
That's awesome.
I'll say hi.
Hi.
Say hello. That's crazy.
I'm only taking it to 6.
Oh, you're fine. Check out these giant Legos. I got a better view down here. That little kid getting pictures of that Lego. Oh. Awesome. The Mall of America. It's pretty fun. Okay, come here. We are live. So I thought I would introduce you to my girlfriend Felicia. Say hello.
Hello.
What have we done today?
We are in Minneapolis, Mall of America.
Yes. So are we headed south?
Yes.
To places unknown?
Too warm. Yes. To
places
the warmth.
Yeah, the warmth. So places
Yes.
unknown.
Yes.
And freezing. There's an airplane. I got distracted again. Let's check out this cool fire. Where's that? There it is. Nice. But anyway, we're going to say bye. We had fun today. The video should start coming out. And it's cold, so yes. Till I see you again. God bless you.